Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Yesterday PVK sharing the Google Pixel 8 unboxing video and today also sharing the Google Pixel 8 Pro unboxing video. So now talk about the box content. Box content is similar to the Google Pixel 6 and 7 series. We already know that the Google Pixel 8 Pro pricing and the full specification. The Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with very high quality 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus. And the great news is the phone comes with 2400 peak brightness and the phone comes with Google Tensor G3 chipset with 12GB of RAM and UFS 4.0. In the rear camera, the phone comes with triple camera setup, the 50MP main sensor, 48MP ultra-wide and 48MP telephoto lens. And the phone is come with 10.5MP selfie camera and the phone powered by 5050 mAh battery and is support 30W fast charging. The starting price of the Google Pixel 8 Pro is $899 and the phone also comes with the storage speaker, IP68 rating and in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.